Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change phone time and guys how to use phone time setting in our Vivo phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's see how to change phone time. So first of all guys open your phone setting to change your phone time and guys scroll it. Guys click on the security setting. Oh guys sorry, system setting is second last option. Sorry friends. Guys click on date and time. Guys click on your time setting. And as you can see this keyboard here, so guys tap here, and guys you can see this 10 10, and guys you want to change it to guys 11 11, means guys 11, and guys 11 20, and guys you want to change into guys PM, so guys you can change from here. So we will change from here, and okay. So friends now you can see guys your time has changed into 11:20 PM. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone time in our view phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.